3-minute trader tip, the 4 primary exit strategies. The reason for presenting this summary of exits is so you can subsequently look at what you're doing and make sure that you have all bases covered. There are 4 primary exit strategies we can use, and although these may differ depending on the actual entry we're actually choosing to use that we've discussed before, the basic strategies remain the same even if there are slight idiosyncrasies. The first of these is obviously a stop loss, and this is about capping a potential loss with a pre-planned price exit combined of course with position sizing. An example of this may be a 1.5 times the ATR below an entry price or signal. The second is a trail stop, and this is where a trade begins to move in our direction and we take our initial stop and start to move it in the direction of a profitable trade to lock in some of that profit. There are several ways we can do a trail stop. One of the easiest perhaps is to look at a price crossing back over a particular EMA, for example a 20, but we could use retracement methods or risk multiples also as trails. Within your trading plan it should be specified which you're using and of course subsequently trade it religiously. The third type of exit is a profit target, and we've discussed this before also, and this is specifying a pre-planned price point at which profits are taken. So for example, if we're taking a long trade, we might place our profit target 0.5 ATR below the next resistance. The final exit strategy, and one which people tend to consider less, is what we would term an event stop, and this is closing or reducing positions due to overall increasing market risk or personal risk. An example of this may be big data such as interest rate decisions or inflation data, or from a personal point of view prior to going on holiday or during times of personal illness or injury. So irrespective of what you're using for entry, all of these 4 potential exit strategies should be in place for each entry type. Trade safe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now.